Make sure you join us on Monday because we're going to have Sundance Lisa in studio.
That's right. She spends the entire week at Sundance, the entire 10 days.
Okay.
She doesn't leave. And she's going to give us a recap. Who's nice, who's rude, what stars she saw, and some of the excitement that she had
You're
at
going to
Sundance.
get the scoop on some celebs today.
That's right. She goes up there every year with one goal in mind, and that is to meet celebrities and get your picture taken with them. So here we have Lisa, right?
Yes.
And Lisa, tell us all about this and how did this begin?
Well, I've done this for about 6 years now, and I just slowly started meeting celebrities, and then I thought it was super cool, and then everyone else thought it was super cool, and then it just became a hobby that is pretty intense.
Okay, talk about some of the people you met over the last couple of weeks.
Yeah, so this year, a couple of the big ones is Danny DeVito.
Ooh.
Wait, how tall is he? Is he like my height?
So he's actually shorter than me, and I'm 5 foot, so
Oh, okay, so he's
All
shorter than
right.
you,
the
too.
photo is deceiving because it looks like we're the same height, but we're not.
Get these photos. How do you approach them?
It's a lot of work.
Wait,
you
who's
just-
this guy?
So that's
Elijah
Elijah
Wood.
Wood.
Okay.
Frodo.
Yeah, Elijah Wood,
David Duchovny.
and we're having a drink there. Like, that's a pretty awesome photo.
That is an awesome
There he is. See, it looks like we're the same height, but no, that's
How do
Danny
you
DeVito.
approach these guys without seeming...
Oh no, you're gonna automatically.
Harry Potter?
Yeah, Daniel Radcliffe, and you
That's
know
cool.
what? He was one of the best ones this year.
Really?
Super nice.
Was that a Harry Potter chick too?
That is Dakota Fanning, Chris Rock.
All of these were this year?
No, these are over a
These
span.
are over the years.
Channing Tatum.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Magic Mike.
Tell us all about that.
He's actually so sweet. Ben Taylor. Channing Tatum was one of the few celebrities that actually took the time to go and say hi to all of his fans.
Oh my gosh.
And most of them are not like that. They'll
Yeah.
you run up and you're like, hey, can I grab a photo? And it's like, yeah, sure. And then they're gone.
Who's the biggest jerk?
There's a few of them.
I tell.
I'd say Richard Gere was super disappointing.
Really?
Yeah, he
This
was-
is a bummer.
I know.
Officer and a
Wait,
gentleman.
wait, what about Nicole Kidman?
So that one is so hard. So I tried 2 years for that, and I can't believe I got that photo. Josh Hartnett, like we're having dinner here.
Jack Black.
Okay, wait, go back to Nicole Kidman. Nice or snotty?
She is very hard to get a photo with. So
what does that mean? That's code
I would say
for-
not nice. I
Okay.
mean, but just like up there, like above you, so you're not. It's hard to get a photo with her.
Like when you're collecting baseball cards, they say the Honus Wagner's the holy grail of baseball cards. Who would be the holy grail of celebrity photos?
Like the best.
Yeah, for you to get.
Like Jennifer
I
Aniston?
got well. The hardest photo that everyone wants during the film fest is Robert Redford,
And you got
Really?
that.
and I did get that this
Yeah.
year.
How did you
so
score Robert Redford's?
standing in the cold for like 3+ hours.
Is he in his car?
Yes, he's
Are you
in.
like total paparazzi right there?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's selfie paparazzi.
Did you have a selfie stick?
No, I actually carry around a regular camera because I'm afraid my iPhone will ruin
Die or
or
something.
freeze up or anything. But Robert Redford is known for not taking photos with fans, and it is super hard.
Oh, go back.
Who?
Go back.
I know exactly what you want to see.
What was it?
Patrick Dempsey.
What? Was that this
Yes,
year?
no, it wasn't. It was a couple years ago.
Okay,
That's
my
what I'm saying.
biggest celebrity
Yes.
crush right there.
That was so hard to get. So I happened to be at a
Tapped on my
premiere.
house, guy?
No, let's just say McDreamy.
McDreamy.
Did it just get hot in here or what?
It might be my mustache.
It might not be.
It's not the mustache. It's not the mustache.
So, do you start to build a rapport with these people?
Do you?
Like, do they know me?
Yeah.
Like, I mean, James Marsden, I've seen him so many times that he probably knows me. And
But he's known for being a jerk, right?
James Marsden?
Yeah.
Oh, he's so sweet.
Okay.
He's one of the sweet ones. Malin Inkerman, she's so sweet.
If
Trying
people
to
want
think
to
of.
find out more about the celebrities that you met, where do they find that?
So I have a Facebook page. It is facebook.com/Lisa and her celebs.
All right.
Wow, that
Yeah.
is fun. Thank you.
Yeah, no
wow, This
problem.
was a lot of fun. All right, stay with us. We'll be right back.
We're back here with Lisa and talking celebrities. Who's your favorite picture ever?
Josh Hartnett, but that's just because I have
Really?
a love
'Cause
for
you love him?
I love him, and I just love that.
I mean, it's fun to hear about Channing Tatum too because he's so hot. Now to hear he's nice, that's just a big bonus.
Yep, he was
That's
nice.
what I was thinking.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.